Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I customize my wigs for my clients. So my client said its circumference is 23 inches, so you're gonna need your measuring tape, your needle and thread, and that cap, honey. And I like to use that color cap because it meshes well with the closures. And if you have not already purchased your bundles, you may need to head over to the website www.beautybundles.com and get your hair girl. So yes, this is basically a neutral color cap, you guys. I found it at my local beauty supply store, but I don't know where you can find yours. But this cap, y'all, is bomb. Okay, when I tell you it meshes very well underneath, it meshes well. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring from the forehead to the back, and as you see here, I have the measurements for my client. So you're gonna measure from the forehead to your nape. Then you're gonna measure from ear to ear. You're also gonna measure from your nape, each side of your nape. You're gonna measure your crown area, and you're gonna make sure everything matches up to the T, honey, because you don't want any missing or gaps in there. You want to make sure the frontal is, I'm using a 7x7 lace HD closure. So you guys, I'm gonna let you keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna let you keep watching. But disclaimer, if you have not already seen my previous videos on how I sew my units down, you can check the links below. It's in the description bar. Y'all see that lace though? I love this lace, but look how it's gonna blend well on this cap. I'm gonna just let y'all keep watching though. Honey, look at that parting, baby. I have not bleached the knots or done nothing, but y'all see how this cap, it like blends seamlessly, honey. It blends. So I've already sewn the unit off camera. Again, if you want to see how I do that, the information will be in the description bar below. You're going to take the wig and you're going to cut that little space off where you have the closure or your frontal, whichever you have. You're going to cut that spot off so that you can have everything open and you can actually apply the unit straight to your head. You can either put it on with combs or without the combs. But again, you guys, I really hope that you guys learned something from this video, and if not, honey, I'll just do better next time, you know? Okay.
I think we gotta get one.
Okay, you guys, she is all done, honey. You see how that's looking so good on that cap, you guys? I just love this cap. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe. Smash that notification bell, honey, and follow your girl on Instagram at Beauty Bundles. You did. Until next time, stay tuned.
We ain't really tripping about the losses.